lot of naked fans asking me to.
We start off with quite a risky situation where, despite the indicator being turned on by the driver, the biker decided to overtake him this way.
Been a holiday in France. She know I can touch it with the operation hands. That's real steady. Took her to the spot, little Manny, little.
Oh,
She just a little petty.
holy. Yo, you good, bruh? Where did she hit at? Where did she hit?
We just like.
And I'm just tailing behind Dan. They're not passing. And I mean, just look at it. You see that? I saw the fairing moving. See it? And I was like, wow, I can't believe they're driving this thing. Now watch this. I notice this right here. It's coming up. I'm focused on the van, and I'm trying not to hit Dan. Yep, see it? Here you go. Thank God that didn't come off, because that would have, it probably would have killed me. So I had enough sense to check my right side mirror to know I had an escape.
Ja. Hey, was ist denn mit dir? Ich fahr doch eh weg. Was ist denn mit dir?
I presented this situation to you in another episode, but from this perspective the biker's horrible behavior is even clearer.
Ist gut, ist gut.
Ah, come on. No, yikes. No, man. Yes, sir. Oh, cool cop for the win.
Lane speeding at this speed and with so much traffic is a gamble.
Yeah, I got the GoPro.
Alright, bro?
Yeah, I was going to my insurance.
Love motorcycles.
You like motorcycles? A little bit scared, you thought. Well, I'll leave y'all alone.
Thanks for watching till the end, I hope you've enjoyed it. See you soon in the next video. Ride safe.